Okay, guys, this is where we at right now. Hey, Derek, say hi. Hey. So we got the drywall up. The mud is done. Look at that gap. It used to be up there. No gap. See, now we are getting the doors ready to paint. We cleaning it. We just finished sanding the doors, kitchen cabin doors. So this is where we at right now. Flip the picture. Okay. And yeah, while the installation there, we're using the insulation for the windows. So here's the muddy. If you notice it, see how smooth that is. See that? Do that one more time. You see that? A brand new living room. Say hey, Nina. Hey. What you doing, Nina?
Getting these doors ready to paint.
Tell me about the process.
We got to first sand it.
Okay.
And then we have to wipe it down with the steel wool.
Okay.
We got to clear all the all the sanded. Now we're wiping it down. Make sure there's no stains, so it can be a smooth painting.
Okay. Thank you. How did you learn that one?
You.
Damn. Hey. Okay, guys. Here's the rest of it. Walking down the hallway. Check out that corner board. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Blending right into the wall. And this corner board. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, walking down the hallway. Dun dun. Sheetrock the bathroom. Beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Any questions? Okay, yep. I still haven't seen it. We getting there. Baby steps. The tower should be done tomorrow, which is Saturday. Tower and grout Saturday. And then the tower will be done, the shower tower will be done Saturday. So, we got one room painted. Damn, it looks nice. Don't worry about the damn floor, okay, guys? It looks nice. Nice job. We haven't painted this one yet. We plan to paint this tomorrow. It should take about 2 hours to paint this. We're going to paint this tomorrow. And we're going to paint this one tomorrow. I'm putting together the countertop, the cabin for the bathroom. Nope, I'm not going to show it to you now. It's a special surprise. So I'm going to move all these tools out of here. And we're going to get this room painted tomorrow. And we're going to paint the hallway probably on Sunday. Monday, the floors will be going down on Monday. So we are trying to keep up with schedule right now.
But the beats made it smooth. Yeah. But they was nasty back
Hey, say hi. Hey. So we're gonna be painting this room. Yeah, I'm unorganized. Cool. Peace out.